Hi guys, today we will talk about the TikTok app and we will show you how to save TikTok without posting. So let's go to this application. As you can see, we are on our profile page and now we are going to make a new TikTok as an example to show you how to save it before the posting to your main profile page. So let's tap on the plus icon we can find on the bottom panel of the screen. Let's create new TikTok after tapping on the red central K. Amazing, let's choose the check mark to save this TikTok. And the next option to go to the next step. Perfect. Right now I will show you how to save this TikTok to the gallery, to the Photos app if you are on iPhone. So let's choose the Who Can Watch This Video option. Let's tap on the arrow opposite it. And let's click on the dot opposite the Only Me feature. You can also choose friends, everyone, but in that way you will post your TikTok on the profile page, but I want to make it hidden and just only to save it to the gallery. So let's pick on this first dot. I will do it again. So right now let's tap on the more options. Click on the arrow opposite again. And near the Save to Device option, we have this special toggle which needs to be activated. Let's click on it one time. So after tapping on the post button, you will have the saved TikTok, this TikTok, in your phone gallery app, but not posted to your phone. To your TikTok profile. Let's do it and tap on this post K. Wait a minute, please. Wait a minute before this saving. And as you can see, our private video uploaded. It means that you don't have this video on your profile page. Let's refresh our profile. Yes, you don't have a newly created TikTok because this TikTok and this one is our old TikToks. Let's go to the locked section, which is the second one at the top of the screen. And as you can see here, just here we have our newly created TikTok, which was saved to the gallery app just a minute before. Let's check it. I will tap on it one time. It's ours, as you can see, 37 seconds ago. So it's our newly created TikTok. Right now we need to go to the Photos gallery or to the, if you have Android, just only gallery app to check the result. And as you can see here, we have our TikTok. Unfortunately, it will have the watermark on it. Unfortunately, yes, it will saved with the watermark, but it's hidden and it's not uploaded to your profile page. If you want to change it, you can go to this TikTok again, tap on the three dots icon at the right side of the screen and choose the privacy settings option here to click on the same Who Can Watch This Video feature and choose not only me feature but everyone or friends. I will choose the first one, everyone, picking on the dot opposite. Wait a minute, pick on the arrow here, tap on the cross, tap on the arrow again. And as you can see, this video was deleted from the locked section, but when we tap on the first one and refresh our profile page, we can see that we have our newly created, our saved video here. Don't forget that also you can choose this three dots feature and just pick on the save video option, but remember that this video is just already uploaded on your profile page. So guys, if you like this tutorial and if you want to check more options about TikTok, follow our YouTube and TikTok HardReset.Info channels. Goodbye!